Look where Kitty lays asleep. In my sister's dirty clothes pile. She's so cute looking. She's so cute looking. Oh, she's so cute. But she's sleeping in dirty clothes.
Right on top of my trip pants.
Right on top of GK's trip pants. Boo-boo kitty. You like that? Just makes her dream better. She's already asleep, just makes her have pleasant dreams. The most chill cat in the world. I swear, if you go in the Guinness Book of World Records for most chill cat. Oh shit. Goodbye, battery. Goodbye. Well, that's GK and Hippie. That's the Hippie and GK minute. Not the Hippie and Fat Guy minute or whatever anymore. I'm delirious right now. I haven't gone to sleep yet. Alright, I'm coming, dude. Sign off.